again. Part maybe 2, I don't know. And I think it looks a little bit better already for getting the front plastics off. I think today we'll check the oil and then we will, oh my bad, and then we will try to get all the controls off the handlebars. Alright, that looks pretty good. Let's see what we get. Nothing. It's not, oh, there's some. Okay, that doesn't look that bad. It's clear. And we know the coolant's, or the radiator is full of coolant, so maybe all that's fine. That stands to reason. If the thing was fine before the fire, it wouldn't blow a head gasket in a fire. Cool. Alright, let's get to work on the handlebars. Alright, got the whole left side off. This thing is trash. Yeah. I don't think we can use that again. Anyways, that came off after a little bit of work. The time lapse makes it look easier than it was. But if you look there, hang on. Ooh. If you see those plugs, they look okay. They weren't exposed, obviously, but we'll see if the rest of the wiring survived. We shall find out. So, and if you look here, here's what's left of, oh, I gotta zoom out here. Here's what's left of the indicator lights and the key. So I guess we will disconnect that next. Here we go. Got all the crap off. The handlebars weren't too bad. Let's see here. Maybe someone recognizes that. Maybe Easton. I think that's what it'd be. These are still usable. Clean them up. Here's all the crap. Yeah, so knew everything on the handlebars, it looks like, but that's what I expected, I guess. Here's all the plugs. Don't look too bad underneath. I really want to power wash this thing, but that the power washer is currently indisposed. So things are going good so far, I think. Who knows what I'm talking about. If I look like I don't know what I'm doing, that might be what's going on here. Anyway, so you can see here, this didn't get burned too bad because it was under the seat. Solenoid looks okay, I think. And we will try cranking it over at some point. So yeah, fun times with the burnt biscuit here, the crispy biscuit. Looking better. By better, I mean it looks like trash still. Anyways, let's enjoy this process. Maybe we'll get to that someday. So that's that. I'm out of here.